Hello, everyone. Today, let's explore the fascinating and crucial field of digital forensics as a career choice. What is digital forensics? Digital forensics is the process of collecting, preserving, analyzing, and presenting electronic evidence in a way that's legally admissible in investigations or court proceedings. It involves uncovering digital artifacts to investigate cybercrimes and security incidents. Why choose a career in digital forensics? Combating cybercrime. In an increasingly digital world, cybercrimes are on the rise. Digital forensics professionals play a pivotal role in investigating and mitigating these threats. Intellectual challenge. Digital forensics offers a challenging and intellectually stimulating environment where you'll solve complex puzzles and uncover hidden information. Legal impact. Your work can have a direct impact on legal proceedings, ensuring justice is served and helping convict cybercriminals. Job demand. There's a growing demand for digital forensics experts in law enforcement, private sector security, government agencies, and more. Career path. 1. Education. Start with a strong educational background in computer science, cybersecurity, digital forensics, or a related field. A bachelor's degree is often a prerequisite. 2. Specialized training. Pursue specialized training in digital forensics tools and techniques. Many universities offer dedicated digital forensics programs. 3. Certifications. Consider certifications like Certified Computer Examiner, CCE, Certified Forensic Computer Examiner, CFCE, or Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. 4. Hands-on experience. Gain practical experience through internships, entry-level positions, or working on personal digital forensics projects. Responsibilities. Evidence collection. Collect digital evidence from various sources, including computers, mobile devices, and networks. Preservation. Ensure the integrity and preservation of evidence to maintain its admissibility in legal proceedings. Analysis. Analyze digital artifacts to uncover evidence of cybercrimes, data breaches, or other security incidents. Reporting. Prepare detailed reports on findings and expert testimony for legal cases. Incident response. Assist in incident response efforts by identifying the extent of a security breach and providing insights for remediation. Tools and techniques. Become proficient in digital forensics tools such as EnCase, FTK, Forensic Toolkit, Autopsy, and Wireshark. Develop expertise in data recovery, file analysis, and memory forensics. Legal knowledge. Understand the legal and ethical aspects of digital evidence, chain of custody, and court procedures, as this knowledge is vital in maintaining the admissibility of evidence. A career in digital forensics can be both fulfilling and financially rewarding. You'll be at the forefront of the battle against cybercrime, using your skills to uncover the truth and protect digital systems and data.